Welcome back to our channel, real estate enthusiasts. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on the hottest real estate insights from around the world. Today, we're taking you on a journey to the heart of Asia, uncovering the top 10 unique real estate opportunities that are poised to deliver impressive profits. From bustling metropolises to serene retreats, we've got a diverse selection to satisfy every investor's appetite. So without further ado, let's dive right in. Starting off our countdown at number 10 is a hidden gem on the magical island of Bali, Indonesia. If you're looking for a unique real estate opportunity, the lush hideaways in Bali have become increasingly popular for investors. The island's serene beauty, vibrant culture, and the ever-growing influx of tourists have created a hotspot for luxury vacation rentals and boutique hotels. Investing in a villa or a small resort can be incredibly profitable, as Bali continues to attract travelers seeking an authentic and rejuvenating experience. Bali's growing popularity has led to consistent rental income and high occupancy rates throughout the year. At number 9, we find ourselves in the bustling financial hub of India, Mumbai. This city is a prime location for luxury real estate investments. The skyline of Mumbai is constantly evolving, and you can be a part of this transformation by investing in high-end apartments or penthouses. Mumbai's real estate market is well known for its strong rental yields and capital appreciation. As the city continues to attract professionals, entrepreneurs, and celebrities, there's a consistent demand for upscale living spaces. The unique combination of traditional culture and cosmopolitan lifestyle makes Mumbai an attractive destination for investors. Plus, with well-established developers and infrastructure projects, it's a secure and profitable choice for those seeking long-term gains. Taking the 8th spot, we head to the enchanting city of Kyoto, Japan. Known for its rich history and cultural heritage, Kyoto offers a unique investment opportunity in historical properties. Owning a traditional machiya or ryokan in Kyoto can be a lucrative endeavor, as tourists from around the world flock to experience the city's timeless charm. Additionally, property values in Kyoto have been steadily increasing, making it an appealing option for investors looking for both cultural significance and financial returns. So, if you're captivated by Japan's ancient traditions and historical elegance, Kyoto is an investment destination worth exploring. Moving on to number 7, we find ourselves in the vibrant and diverse city of Bangkok, Thailand. Bangkok has undergone an urban revival in recent years, with a surge in modern developments and infrastructure projects. This dynamic transformation offers unique real estate opportunities in condominiums and commercial spaces. The capital city's thriving economy, along with its status as a major regional hub, is driving increased demand for premium properties. Investors can benefit from the rising rental income and the potential for capital appreciation as Bangkok continues to expand and flourish. Whether you're looking for a sleek urban condo or a retail space in a bustling commercial district, Bangkok has it all. Taking us to number 6 is the tropical paradise of the Maldives. The Maldives is not just a destination for honeymooners, it's also a place where savvy investors are reaping significant profits. Owning a slice of this island paradise provides a chance for substantial rental income, as tourists are willing to pay a premium for a private overwater experience. The Maldives' natural beauty, pristine beaches, and world-class diving spots make it a consistent draw for travelers. The potential for long-term appreciation of your investment is undeniable, as the Maldives remains a sought-after destination for the global elite. Landing at number 5, we find ourselves in the thriving city-state of Singapore, often referred to as the Smart City. Singapore is a hub for innovation and technology. The city's robust real estate market offers unique opportunities in smart homes and office spaces. Singapore's real estate market benefits from a stable political environment, making it a secure choice for investors. The demand for high-tech, sustainable living and working spaces is on the rise. By investing in innovative properties, you can tap into a high-income rental market and enjoy consistent returns. With Singapore's dedication to sustainability and cutting-edge technology, your investment is set to flourish in this futuristic city. Securing the 4th position on our list is the picturesque island of Phuket, Thailand. Phuket is famous for its stunning beaches, vibrant nightlife, and booming tourism industry. Owning a piece of this paradise in the form of a luxury villa or a resort can be a profitable venture. Phuket's real estate market has been growing steadily, thanks to its reputation as a prime tourist destination. High occupancy rates and robust rental income make it a reliable investment choice. Additionally, Phuket's infrastructure development and connectivity have contributed to the increasing property values. So, if you're looking for a tropical haven with excellent returns, Phuket might just be the answer. At number 3, we're in the bustling city of Hong Kong. The iconic skyline of Hong Kong has long been a symbol of prosperity and opportunity. The city's real estate market, characterized by towering skyscrapers, offers unique investment opportunities in luxury apartments and commercial spaces. Hong Kong's status as a global financial hub and its limited land availability have led to high property values and strong rental yields. Investing in the city's real estate market provides a chance for both regular rental income and significant capital appreciation. Hong Kong's vibrant culture, international appeal, and strategic location make it a promising choice for investors seeking remarkable profits. Our runner-up at number 2 takes us to Seoul, South Korea, a city that's embracing sustainability and green living. Seoul's real estate market is evolving to cater to eco-conscious investors, offering unique opportunities in eco-friendly apartments and developments. The demand for sustainable living spaces is on the rise, and Seoul's government initiatives to promote green buildings provide investors with incentives. Sustainable properties not only offer the satisfaction of contributing to a greener world, but also the potential for higher rental income and long-term appreciation. Seoul's blend of modernity and environmental consciousness makes it an enticing choice for those looking to invest in a brighter, greener future. Drum roll, please. It's time to unveil our number 1 unique real estate opportunity in Asia, and it takes us to the futuristic metropolis of Shenzhen, China. Shenzhen has transformed from a small fishing village into a high-tech powerhouse, and its real estate market is booming. The city's commitment to innovation, coupled with the demand for modern living and working spaces, creates a thriving real estate market. Investing in Shenzhen offers a chance to be a part of the city's incredible growth story. High-tech commercial properties, luxury residences, and mixed-use developments are in high demand. With China's support for the Greater Bay Area and Shenzhen's strategic position, your investment here is poised for substantial profit. There you have it, folks. The top 10 unique real estate opportunities in Asia, from the lush hideaways in Bali to the futuristic metropolis of Shenzhen. If you're looking to invest in properties that promise both financial returns and unique experiences, Asia has it all. Make sure to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe for more exciting real estate insights from around the globe. Which of these Asian real estate opportunities piqued your interest the most? Let us know in the comments below, and stay tuned for more in-depth looks at each of these unique destinations. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, happy investing!